What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Jordan slated for an August release. I'm seeing 2 release dates for this shoe. Nothing is concrete, especially when it comes to Nike these days. One release date is August 6th and another one is August 22nd. But nevertheless, the shoe that we're about to take a look at, I will be shipping out early pairs no matter what the release date will be. Just head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. Also, before we get into that release, I wanted to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. As you can see here, we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Dark Concord. This one right here is another August release as well. I believe August 13th. This one right here, I will be shipping out early on Fineline1721.com. I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check it out. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, all black lid with the red Jumpman logo, OG style Nike Air branding on the front and the back, elephant print going all the way around. And this box is definitely of a sturdier cardboard than usual. Normally Retro 3 boxes has like a real flimsy bottom box. This one is definitely not like that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the label. Air Jordan 3 Retro, white, fire red, and black. As I was shooting the original video, this card right here was underneath the shoes, but as you can see here, it does come with the throwback OG Retro 3 card where it shows you the makeup or the components of the Air Jordan Retro 3. I wanted to just show you guys everything that it came with. Now back to the regular review. Go ahead, push this lid up. Go ahead and pull these out and let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fire Red for 2022. First thing first, let's go ahead and get into the accessory. It does come with the plastic Nike Air hang tag, as you can see here. Also, these joints come with the tissue paper instead of the normal cardboard insert. Now, getting right into it, let's go ahead and start with the top-down view of the shoe. Neutral gray sock liner, all red insole with the white Nike Air branding, fire red liner behind the tongue as well. Fire red Jumpman sitting on the front. Got the neutral gray tongue with the neutral gray siding right here behind the eyelets. Fire red eyelets right here on the bottom. This leather on the toe box is definitely a nice soft leather. It is not that stiff Jordan 3 leather that you normally get. Feels like it has a lot more give than normal Retro 3s. The elephant print along the toe and the heel kind of has like a dark anthracite black gray feel to it, so it's definitely not like the light neutral gray tone that you get on, like, say for instance, a pair of black cement 3s. More nice little soft leather going throughout the whole uppers. Kind of got like the smooth, stiff leather going across the mud guard right here. Fire red midsole sitting on top of the milky white air bubble. Neutral gray outsole, red traction pod right here on the toe with the red Nike Air branding. Going around to the heels of the shoe, got the OG Nike Air branding present on the heel in that bright fire red color tone. Going to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. So that about wraps it up for the quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 3 Fire Red. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick you up a pair, head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. They are shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.